If you use Salesforce regularly, knowing which version you're on can save you a ton of confusion, especially when new features roll out or settings look different from what others see. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to check your Salesforce version in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Classic or Lightning, let's get right into it. Start by logging into your Salesforce account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, the fastest way to identify your version is by looking at your browser's address bar. Every Salesforce instance has a unique domain, and that domain tells you what version you're on. For example, you might see something like na123.salesforce.com U45AP4 or something similar. That short code, like na, EU, or AP followed by numbers, represents your instance location and version group. Make a quick note of it because you'll use it to identify your release. Now, once you spot your instance name, head over to a new browser tab and search for Salesforce Instance Release Dates, or just visit Salesforce's official trust site at trust.salesforce.com. On that page, look for the status or maintenance section. There you can enter your instance name, and Salesforce will show you which seasonal release you're on, like spring 25, summer 25, or winter 25. If you're using Lightning Experience, there's another quick method. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, select Setup, and in the quick find bar, type company information. Open that page and you'll see details about your instance and the release version of your org. This is one of the most reliable ways to confirm your exact version without leaving Salesforce. Salesforce updates 3 times a year, and features may differ depending on the release cycle you're on. So if a coworker mentions a feature you don't see or you're troubleshooting something, the version information is your first clue. And a quick tip. Bookmarking your instance page on the Salesforce Trust site will make it super easy to check updates and maintenance schedules. That's all you need to confidently check your Salesforce version in 2025. If this guide helped you out, stick around for more practical Salesforce tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.